Want to make your Instagram post stand out? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 3D pop-out effect in Canva. A design trick that instantly grabs attention and looks amazing on your feed. Let's jump right in. Alright, first, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for Instagram, and you'll see different post sizes. I'm choosing the square size. Now, let's start by adding a background. Go to Elements and search for any background you like. You can explore the Graphics or Photos section to find something that matches your theme. Once you've found a good one, add it to your design. Next, add a photo. I'll use an image of a girl from the Elements tab, but you can use your own photo too. Make it a little bigger and position it nicely on the canvas. After that, go back to Elements and search for Instagram Mockup. Open Graphics. Here you'll find an Instagram post mockup. Insert it into the design, move it to the top, and make it bigger. Rotate and adjust it until it looks balanced. Now I want to add some text at the bottom of the mockup. To do that, press the letter R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Adjust its size, change the color to white, and place it right at the bottom of the mockup. Rotate it slightly so it aligns with the mockup's angle. Then press T to add text. Place the text on top of the white rectangle, change the text color to black, rotate it, and type in your caption. Adjust its size and position until everything looks perfect. Once that's done, select all the elements, except for the girl image, and group them together. Now increase the size of the girl image so it slightly overlaps the mockup. Duplicate the girl image and make sure the duplicate layer is on top of the frame. Crop the duplicate image from the bottom so it appears to be popping out of the frame. Align it properly in the center, and there you go. You've got a clean 3D pop-out effect. To make the design more eye-catching, let's add a heading at the top. Go to Text, choose Add a Heading, type your title, and move it to the top of the design. Increase its size and make it uppercase for a bold look. Now open Effects and apply the glitch effect. Adjust the direction a bit to get that subtle offset look. Then, reduce the transparency so it's lighter. And finally, go to Position and send it behind all the other elements. Rotate it slightly and adjust it to create that cool background title style. Lastly, make the mockup a bit larger to make it stand out even more. And that's it. Your 3D Instagram pop-out design is ready to post. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now, if you want to learn how to create seamless Instagram carousels in Canva, make sure to watch the next video. And if you want this template, then comment template below and I'll add it in the video description.